So, hey guys, ITB here. So our topic for today is how we can fix this 100% disk usage. So, let's get started. First, we go to Windows Security, and then just gonna make click Virus and Threat Protection. You go Manage and Settings, turn off real-time protection. Don't worry, it will not harm your computer. And then turn off cloud delivered protection. Also, automatic sample submission. Alright, that's it. And the second step is that we go to Registry Editor. Okay, so I have here my notepad. So I'll just copy and paste this to this path and then hit enter. There you go. Also find rev underscore 3 and then this random number. Go to device parameters, interrupt management, and then wait here, message, click message signal interrupt and click MSI supported and make it value data to 0, and then restart your machine, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and also restart your computer.